so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that, the way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all of these lies, and people that talk too much. You got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us. Should this be the last thing I see? I want you.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to
So in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. You look so beautiful in this light, your silhouette over me.
Hi.
Worth the wait?
Yes, definitely.
Surrounding us here, they just fade out when you take a breath. Just say the word and now we'll disappear into the wilderness.
And have made a solemn and binding contract with each other in the presence of all your witnesses, family and friends here assembled. It therefore gives me the greatest privilege and honour to announce that you are now husband and wife together.
So in love, so in love, so in love, so in love.
Ladies and gentlemen, please would you greet the very newly married Mr. and Mrs. McCullum.
So in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love. You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. And in the moment I knew you better.